Hello everyone, this is Alfaj and I always watch my channel Alfaj Tech Zone. So in this video I will show AdSense working process. So this video is very important to every man my channel. So do not skip my video and let's start watching. Then at first I will see Google search result. So I click my popular browser, then search Google AdSense working process, then results show. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is free advertise po- program that always online publisher to earn money by display third party Google ads on their site. Business pay to advertise through AdSense and sites owner get a piece of revenue based on click or ad impressions. This is that Google AdSense ad can look like on website. How does Google AdSense work? There are how Google AdSense work just in three process. Step one: sign up and make your website available for ads. When you create your AdSense account, Google will review your site to make sure it completely with its policy. Once approved, you will need to add code your site. Then you can choose the ad forms you want. Add where you like them appear. Ads format include in page with main body, anchor edges of the screen and brigade full screen among others. Note: you can also earn money by display ads in your YouTube videos to do so. Set up an AdSense account from your YouTube studio. So it is my full video. You watch. Thank you.